Hi, I'm José, and I'm a real estate analyst here at Kroll in Los Angeles. I was really interested into going into politics, but I was also very interested in business. And this degree was basically a match made in heaven. You know, it was perfect because I got the opportunity to study my interests in business, but at the same time satisfy my other passions, which was also politics. And having this background that I felt would give me a better competitive edge going forward. It's a very nice place to be here and work around. We're here in Century City. It's one of the best places to work at in LA. I live pretty close. It feels like a movie sometimes, you know, coming here, you see the big famous buildings. I pass by Fox Studios every day and it's just crazy to see. Sometimes they're filming in the park that's just down the road. And then we come here and we work with really incredible clients. It's a very demanding job. We're working with really large institutional and private equity investors or REITs. And we work on a variety of interesting, innovative, and different types of properties and products here. Going to IE completely came out of left field. I was already looking for universities in Europe to be able to break away from the American system. I wanted something different, something new. And it ticked everything that I was looking for essentially in a perfect university. But the thing that completely sold me was the professors. They had hands-on experience and something that I felt that the universities here in the US kind of lacked. Everyone's a tenured professor. Over there you have professionals teaching that was also demanding academically, and that ended up giving me a ton of opportunities, both academically and professionally, to develop myself. IE's holistic approach to education, which involves, you know, active lectures, case study presentations, and overall a ton of teamwork. I think this is becoming valuable in what I do every day because it's essentially what I do every day. It's a lot of understanding, a lot working collaboratively with a team, and ended up, you know, effectively persuading your point of view to your client or investors and what you're looking for. When I'm not working every single day of the week there, I like to come here and take a second to explore myself. LA is wonderful when it comes to nature, with hikes, perfect place to disconnect while still being in the city. LA is wonderful because you also got beautiful beaches. The coastline is called the Golden Coastline for a reason, you know. I really like to go out there not only to explore the beaches, but to pursue some of my hobbies like sailing, something that I used to do at IE Sailing Club, and it's something that I've decided to continue here. Another thing that I like to do is running. I think there's nothing more wonderful than a morning run across the beach from Santa Monica to Venice or Marina. Another thing that I like to do is stay at home sometimes, you know. I have my own hobbies. I play music, so I play piano and guitar, and something I like to do is sit back at home and relax, play some music, play some tunes, and enjoy myself with me and a couple of friends.